In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable extensions in Google Chrome to enhance your browsing experience. Whether you're trying to troubleshoot an issue or just streamline your browser, disabling extensions can be a vital skill to master. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have Chrome up and running, draw your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll notice an icon that resembles 3 vertical dots. This menu icon is your gateway to a plethora of settings and options in Chrome. With the menu icon in sight, go ahead and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing an array of options for you to explore. Keep your focus sharp here, as we're on the lookout for one specific element: extensions. Hover your cursor over the extensions option, and you'll notice a secondary menu emerging to the side. From there, click on Manage Extensions. This will lead you to a dedicated page that provides a comprehensive list of all the extensions currently installed on your browser. Now that you're on the Manage Extensions page, take a moment to look through the list of installed extensions. You might be surprised at how many you've accumulated over time. Your task here is to locate the specific extension you wish to disable. This might take a bit of scrolling, especially if you have numerous extensions, but no worries, we're not in a rush. Once you've successfully identified the extension you want to disable, you'll see a blue toggle switch right next to it. This toggle is your control mechanism for enabling or disabling extensions. When the toggle is blue, it indicates that the extension is active and running. Simply click on it to turn it off. Watch closely as the switch changes to a gray color, signaling that the extension is now disabled. This simple action will cease the extension's operation, potentially resolving any issues or reducing resource strain on your browser. Now, if you ever find yourself needing to re-enable the extension, don't worry. The process is just as straightforward. Simply revisit the same page, find that extension again, and click the gray toggle switch. This action will turn it back to blue, reactivating the extension and allowing it to function as before. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly manage your Chrome extensions, giving you greater control over your browser's performance and behavior. Remember, managing extensions is all about finding the right balance for your browsing needs. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!